Well, all right, guys, welcome to the messiest laundry room in Irvine, California, Woodbridge. And as you can see here, this is the Monoprice Mini Delta, one of the best printers you can get for the price these days. Very, very easy to use compared to a lot of other printers, and also very stable prints that come out of this thing, so long as you use a special profile that someone else built and that is readily available to use right off of Google. I think that's where I got mine anyways. Do research on that, you'll get really amazing prints. Then now you get to see this printer right here. Why is it here? Because the printer that used to be here used to be a Monoprice mini resin printer, and that's gone to Russell now. So hopefully things will be fantastic, and hopefully we'll see some live streams of some of the prints that he'll make. So excited. Awesome.
Likey